DevOps Goal. DevOps Objectives, Enhanced Delivery. Reducing the time to market for software releases is the aim. Result: features and upgrades are delivered more quickly and frequently. Working together and communicating. The objective is to encourage a culture of cooperation between the operations and development teams. Enhanced communication, joint accountability, and mutual comprehension of each other's work processes are the results. Automated. The objective is to automate manual and repetitive tasks throughout the software development lifecycle. Result: better productivity, fewer mistakes, and quicker delivery. Continuous deployment, CD, and continuous integration, CI. Objective: automate testing, integration, and deployment by putting in place CI/CD pipelines. Result: code changes are delivered to production quickly and reliably with little need for manual involvement. Code for infrastructure, IAC. The objective is to use code to manage and deliver infrastructure. The end result is an automated infrastructure deployment process that is reliable and scalable. Important terminology: continuous integration, CI. Definition: the process of regularly merging code updates into a common repository and then running automated tests on them. Deployment continuously, CD. Definition: the automated procedure that releases code updates to production following the completion of automated testing. Small-scale services. Definition: an application built of separately deployable, loosely connected services is an architectural strategy. Containers. Definition: software and its dependencies contained in small, portable, self-contained modules. Orchestration, Kubernetes, for example. Definition: containerized apps and their automated coordination and management. Code for infrastructure, IAC. Definition: using machine-readable script files instead of actual hardware configuration to manage and provision infrastructure. DevOps. Perspective: cooperation rather than silos. Viewpoint: dismantle the conventional divisions that exist between the development, operations, and other teams. Complete automation. Viewpoint: for consistency and speed, automate as much of the software delivery pipeline as you can. Loop of feedback. Viewpoint: create an ongoing feedback loop to find and fix problems early in the course of development. Constant enhancement. Perspective: to gradually optimize operations, adopt a culture of continual improvement. Joint accountability.